for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the
go again. Trucking is not without its issues. So let me grab this for you. Just pull that down there. And you can see that I'm over on my tandems. And the last time I was over on my tandems, it cost me almost $500 for an overweight ticket. So what do we do? Well, I've got room on my drives for sure. You can have 12,000 pounds, and I've got room, or 34,000. I've got room on my steers. You can have 12,000 pounds. So I'm gonna slide my fifth wheel because the tandems are broke on this thing, and I'll show you. Check it out. Here's the issue we're having. This thing, it don't do nothing. It does absolutely nothing. I know you can't hear it because these are noise canceling. Yeah, that thing sucks. Here's your pins. You're supposed to be able to pull this out. Nothing happens. So that's a problem because look how far up they are. Wow. And so the other day I moved a farm trailer for somebody and I slid my fifth wheel. And if you don't know, sliding your fifth wheel is never a fun thing, let me tell you. You need to be perfectly straight and you need to be on flat, level ground because those pins are a pain in the butt, and I'll show you why. So check it out. Now, I chose to slide mine here into Fuel Island just so I could tick off those truckers that used to wear the wooden shoes to school. Just kidding. This is the only flat, level spot, and there's plenty of light. So, yeah. So as you can see, you want this thing nice and straight. If that's not straight, you're going to have issues with those lining back up. They'll pull out. Trust me, they'll pull out nice and easy. But when you go to push them back in, they'll be off. So you got to have this thing nice and straight. And for the most part, you ain't got to work. Here's the first thing you got to do is put your landing gear down. Basically just enough till you start to hear them airbags let off. So you're taking the weight off of your fifth wheel. So you can see it move up, but the pins aren't in yet. Like right in between. This side isn't in either. Almost. See how close it is? Got to go up a little bit. And here's your cheat sheet. See how that distance still out? It's got to go back in. Tapped it. It was right there. Straight goes out. That side's off, that's why. See, this side actually needs to go back this side. Now, right there. you get one side in, do not release it again, because you will have a problem getting it back in. It might be in there yet. Just barely. Looks like you gotta go. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna release our brakes again. We're gonna pull to the left. That should pop them in. Just get a little bit of a head start here. Should have got him. Voila, magic. Both sides are in. See, piston and all back up. So the best way to do this is, again, you want your wheels straight. So straighten that out. Release your brakes. Now the good thing about this truck is I have this rolling a little bit. Now make sure you're on flat ground. Stop your truck. We shifted about 1,000 pounds. There it goes, there it adjusted. 26.4, so that's about 28,000. And then we moved probably 2,000 to our steers. There you have it. Hey, I'm JRoTrucker. Hit that like for the algorithm. I appreciate it. Hey, I'm JRoTrucker. Hit that like for the algorithm. I appreciate it. Make sure you share this video so we can spread this knowledge. It's free game, y'all. And subscribe, man. Subscribe, because there's a plethora of knowledge that I'm giving you. I've done the work for you. So this is free knowledge. Like, soak it up. I paid tens of thousands of dollars for my education, and the experience I have, well, that's just priceless. So make sure you subscribe. Stick around for more epic content. Thanks for watching. I'm JRoTrucker. I'm out. So as you can see, we're actually up to 27,000, and that's just the load weight. That doesn't include the weight of the truck. So I would say we've got about 29,000 altogether on the drives now, and plus the 12,000 on the steers. So we should be well under 34,000 on our tandem.